How to convert text prompts into illustrations from Illustrate AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can create illustrations using text prompts using Illustrate AI. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to head over to Illustrate AI, you'll first need to open up your web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Design Bundles Illustrate AI. And after you do that, you'll find Design Bundles website right here. Tap on this, and it will take you to their website. Now, do the login, create the account, and after all that, create with Illustrate AI, you'll find the button, tap on it. Then it will take you to another web page where you can start creating illustrations. After you're here, you'll then need to give it a text prompt right here on this side. So type in the text that you want and you can give it whatever you want. And after you give it a text prompt, you can also select multiple art styles. Tap on art style right here and then select a style. After you select a style, you can also choose the image count. And after you select the image count, you can then also choose the size. And finally, tap on this create button after you're ready. After you tap on enter, it will start creating your illustrations. And after that, you will get your image. And that's how you can create illustrations using Illustrate AI. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And bye-bye. Take care.